Did you see what I didn't do there? All right, we have to stop this nonsense. It's only been a minute. I didn't put the sauce on. Let's get some sauce on there. Okay, so I'm feeling like I want to try something new. So we're gonna try Kinder's dipping sauce. Do I even want to look at the... All right, let me just look at the sugar ratio. 15 carbs, 0 protein, 16. Depending on my mood, I'll look at that like, ooh, 8 carbs. This has less carbs. Okay, we're gonna go with the sticky honey barbecue. 15. This is actually better. This has 4 carbs, 2 sugars, 0 protein. But you know, I don't have any more. Ooh, I could do a combo. Let's do best of both. Okay. We got that. And these things are so tricky when fingers are sticky. We'll just do a little pour. Just enough to coat it. Okay, so hands are already in. Oh yeah. Oh, that's gonna be very, very tasty. I could put a little more on there, and I may, but for right now, it's good and it's golden because I want to pop it and I want to move on. So there's that. Okay, now come with me. Let's pick up where we left off. Yay! And then we're golden. All right, to finish things up, just in case, do I do the thing that I say? I think I did this in a different video. Anytime I open a bottle, so here are my 3 go-tos in like one, that drawer over there, that drawer there, and that drawer down there. Scissors, tape, and a Sharpie. Because you always got to open something. And always, always need to know when you open something. All right, so put today's date, so when it goes in the fridge, you know how long it's been. Game changer. Super helpful. All right, that's what we have there. So next, what I might do, again, this might be patties, this might be meatballs. I could also fry it up like regular ground or taco meat. Ooh. And then I could actually add more eggs and make it like a quiche. Now I feel like I should have tripled the recipe because my mind is like going. So, all right, thanks for being here. Make a note in the chat. How would you do you on this?